What it do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. It's been a minute since last time I spoke to Drip. Okay, and here we are. Drip still up and running since April 21. Drip has been the world's leading ROI platform, providing a daily 1% return in Drip rewards from our proven and sustainable tax system. Okay, that's true. Even though drip at some point was 200 bucks and now we are sitting at 0.27, yes, it's still paying out, it's still working. Okay, but if you bought drip 100 bucks, 200 bucks, 150, 70 bucks, 50 bucks, and now you're seeing drip below $1, you'll be like, is this really worth it? Who knows? Okay, who knows? But the fact is this thing's still up and running, whereas many ROI dApps came before after drip. I mean, they came after drip and they are buried long time ago. Okay, so they are dead long time ago. Right. So let's have a look at stats. Okay, and over here we can see total trade volume 2.2 million. Okay, all-time trades 224,000. Over here we can see the dripping faucets. Okay, dripping faucet, which is three uh, 311 million drip, which is worth 82 million bucks. Okay, and yeah, the reason why I am talking about drip is because the DDD, the triple D is coming up. Okay, when I don't know, I was looking at the roadmap and I could not find a specific date. As we already know, Forex, it took them like a year to change the UI. Okay, so who knows how long it will take it to launch this DDD. Okay, but we can see it might come on the third quarter of 2023. Okay, so let's go over to my dashboard and let's see what's up. Okay, so currently drip price is at 0.26 bucks per drip, okay, which is cheap. Okay, the price dropped 2% in the last 24 hours, dropped 1% in the last 7 days, and dropped 1% in the last 30 days. And new players, surprisingly, okay, 109 new players in the last 24 hours, okay, which is crazy, right? Because this project is over 2 years old and we still see new players coming in. And as you can see, guys, this is the new dashboard. Over here, we can see my stats. Okay, my total deposits 390 390 drips. Okay, and my available drip is 319. Okay, which is, and the total value between uh total deposits and drip available is 189 bucks. Okay, so it's been a minute since last time I checked drip. Okay, that's why you see lots of drip available, because I've not been paying attention to drip, because once drip went below $7, I was like, oh man, this is game over, so forget about it, right? But a lot of things has changed and feels like they are going to revive this drip. Okay, am I gonna buy more drip? Hell no, I'm not gonna buy any more drip. So I'm just gonna milk this thing. Okay, so what I will do, I will compound this drip. Let me just log in and compound this drip now. Sign up to my ledger and let me compound this drip. Yeah, let's go ahead and compound this thing. And yeah, we're gonna roll. Remember, guys, every time you compound, you'll pay, I think it's a 2.5% tax, something like that. Okay, so drip has been compounded, so I'm gonna earn more drip. Okay, my target was back then. Oh, failed. What the hell? Hmm, I don't know what's going on. I will have to check it out. Yeah, my target was to achieve 100 drip. Okay, so I got to 100 drip, but then the drip price collapsed. So I was like, man, I'm screwed. Okay, so I just let it run and run and run till now. Okay, and I tried to compound this, but transaction failed. I don't know why, so I'll have to check it out. And yeah, I'll check it out after the video. Okay, and we can see that new features. They are looking to introduce the fiat on ramp, so you can buy drip straight from your debit or credit card. Okay, and over here we got the faucet where you can compound. We can see your stats, your dashboard. Okay, you can see my deposits, my available drip, my max payout, the total claimed. Okay, I haven't claimed. All you do is compound. So when you compound, you count as claimed. Okay, and day 428 days till max wallet. And over here we can see the net deposits. Okay, the reservoir. I never mess with the reservoir. Basically, you pair the BNB with drip. Okay, and you will earn BNB. Okay, and the garden, this is a miner. You already know that I hate miners and I will never join a freaking miner again. So I'm not gonna even bother with this thing. Okay, so over here is the DDD. Okay, so how the DDD will work. Okay, so DDD, the layer 2 uh, protocol for drip. Players will help lock away drip in the faucet, reduce minting, deflate circulation supply, increase reservoir liquidity, and increase their own drip deposits simply by participating regularly. Okay, so let's go over to the white paper. There's a lot to cover. I'm not going to read it all. Okay, so if you are interested in this kind of thing, just come over here and read it for yourself. It only takes 10 minutes. Okay, so why they are launching this DDD? Okay, to increase drip locked in the faucet, to reduce or stop inflation or minting, deflate circulation supply, decrease reservoir increase reservoir liquidity and increase their own drip deposits. Okay, because if you are familiar with drip, okay, drip, the total supply is supposed to be only 1 million tokens. Okay, but it went way over 100 million tokens. Okay, it's insane, right? So from 1 million to 100 million, imagine. That's why the price collapsed, and that's why they are launching this triple D to to combat inflation, so the price can be appreciated. Will the price be appreciated? Will go up? I don't know, but I am not going to buy any more drip for sure. Okay, and over here we can see how everything works. So each day there will be 6 rounds of winners draws. Okay, each round will pay out to 7 prize divisions. Okay, so you'll have the first prize, you have the four runners up, a biggest deposit prize, and the biggest sacrificer prize. Okay, each round's jackpot will comprise 14% of earnings from deposits, 24% earnings from sacrifices, and 10% of the previous round's earnings roll over. Okay, interesting. Okay, guys, so this is an incentive for you to participate because can you can win. Okay, so if you burn a lot, so if you burn, you will get 24%, right? So 24. And over here we can see the figures. You can see how everything is going to play out. Okay, so the first prize will earn 5%. Okay, but if you are the biggest depositor, you'll get 2.5%, or if you are the biggest sacrificer, you'll get 2.5%. Okay, if you miss these pots right here, you still have 2 more chances to be the biggest depositor or the biggest sacrificer. And over here we got scenarios how this triple D will play out. Okay, that's that. Over here we have the percentages that's going to be allocated to the winners, and you can use drip tokens, BUSD, or BNB. Okay, each ticket will cost you 1 BUSD, $1. Okay, $1 per ticket. Okay, and essentially that's that, guys. That's that. And over here we got the roadmap. They are going to be audited by Certig. And what else? Drip marketing plan to be announced and rolled out. Reservoir side of DDD to launch. Okay, Paladin audit and much more. Okay, conclusion. We got everything right here. And thank you. But yes, guys, that's the updates about Drip. Yeah, the UI, it took them 12 months to deploy the new UI, but it's finally here and it's finally doing its thing. Okay, guys, what's this? Hmm, I don't know what the bulb is for. Okay, right, I get it. Shut the thing down. Okay, over here we have the team management. You can build your team. Obviously, never been interested in building teams, so I've got no teams members. Okay, but hey, if you are interested in Drip and if you want to join my team, feel free to use the link in the description of this video if you want to be part of my team. If I have a team member, obviously I will do some airdrops because you can do airdrops with this thing. And I'm not really sure who's my team leader, but um, I never received an airdrop. Okay, so if you are looking to join Drip, make sure that you check the team leader and make sure that he does airdrops because if he doesn't do any airdrop, what's the point joining? Because it's supposed to be a teamwork. But yes, guys, that's the update about Drip. I'm gonna wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.